So Manjunath, hi, good afternoon and welcome to this small video interaction. Thanks so much for taking out time. Let me give you a little idea about what we are trying to do is we are actually interacting with all the learners who have recently completed our certification program, and we are trying to understand the feedback.
Yeah, first of all, I'm very happy I'm the first person to complete the course in my organization.
That's great.
So let it be, I'll be a small introduction myself, Manjunath. So I belongs to Karnataka. I'm presently staying in Mysore district. So I done MBA. So presently I'm working in Manappuram Housing Finance Limited as a area at Karnataka. I'm looking for 9 to 10 districts like operation, credit, sales, and other verticals.
Okay.
So overall, there are 8 to 9 years experience in the housing loan industry. This is my small introduction.
That's great. So congratulations, Manjunath, since you are the first one in your organization to complete this course. And thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
So how was your experience?
It's one of the great knowledge for this. It's one of the great opportunity for this because for these models are getting very good knowledge for us, and it should be increase our professional skill should be very helpful for these models. So this should be, I'll be suggesting for everyone should be attending for this course and getting deep knowledge on this course. I'm very happy for these certificates and all.
Okay, very good, very good. So since you like this course, I would like to understand from you. There would be certain number of things which you liked, and what are the top 3 things which you liked in this course? If I ask to name it.
Like the major things of the housing loan products like purchase, construction, extension, and that should be KYC compliance. The major thing is like legal appraisals. That should be very helpful in our career. The models or the points or that video explanation that should be very grateful. So they're giving a very deep knowledge for us. We should be put up for our career. Should be those things should be very helpful for us.
Okay. So this is one thing, you like the legal section or the legal module of this entire course to be very enriched and helpful. What are the other things you liked from this platform, on this course?
So each and every model should be getting a certificate that should be motivating the people, should be getting like whatever the basic things should be, we have to understand the things. So it should be helpful for us. That I'm learned for the products, and some of the things will be a bit of new things that I should be I've learned. I should be add up my knowledge for this.
So did you get opportunity to apply these learnings to your job?
Obviously yes.
So how do you find them? It's helping you in your day-to-day job?
Yes, obviously it should be helping in day-to-day job for this. Whatever the things what I've done in my career, whatever the points are there, some of the new things which is be new things to me, that should be added in my backups. Like should be KYC compliance for the legal appraisal points. There should be some of the balance transfer on products. That should be how we are processing in our normal process. That should be very upgrading what you are in the models. That should be very gain for us.
Okay.
It should be increasing in our career. It should be a very deep process for that.
Oh, that's great. So how do you find the entire visualization and graphics of the program? You find them interesting?
No, not like that. It should be very attractive. Should be whatever the video should be going. Each and every post on video, the point should be very attractive things. They have learned the process.
So you find them attractive?
Yes, obviously yes. I agree for that.
Okay, great. So since there would be a good number of people who would be viewing this video, any tips or suggestions or any recommendations for them from your side?
So after seeing my certificate, my colleagues are very exciting to attend these exams and all. So I will be getting my suggestion should be the virtual skill platform should be learned for each and everyone. to attend this course should be increase their knowledge. These should be very helpful for the profession. So personally, for these models and each and every point should be very much helpful in our career. That I'm personally suggesting for that everyone.
So will you like to recommend this course to your friends?
Obviously yes. After seeing my certificate, everyone is almost some of the people are exciting for attending. Some of them already contact for the virtual skill team regarding this course. So I'm very lucky. My organization choosing to me. Only few people are impact for this course. Let everyone attend this course. I'll be suggesting for that.
Okay, great. That's very encouraging.
Yes, obviously.
Wonderful, Manjunath. Thank you so much for this small interaction and taking out time and discussing or sharing your views. Thanks once again for your time, and thanks once again for completing this course, and my best wishes to you. Thanks once again.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the virtual entire team.
Thank you so much. See you. Take care.
Thank you.